So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beginners Lab. So we have installed our Ubuntu, and as we are moving from window to Ubuntu, what are the main key components that we required to feel Ubuntu like our home, like our window screen? So basically we required three things. The first is obviously our email. So in Windows we use Gmail, email, whatever we want to, but here we used to use Thunderbird, and here we are getting one inbuilt browser that is known as a Mozilla Firefox. I know you guys must be wondering that who works now on Mozilla Firefox, but the truth is people used to work because this is safe according to. And whenever we are using any kind of penetration testing, we are always said that don't open your browsers in your full screens, don't open your terminals in your full screens. So this was a basic step. So what we required was an email, a browser, and something like Microsoft Office, right? Now you must be wondering that we have to install Microsoft Office only. But no guys, that's not true. That is an expensive version. Getting my point? That one we need to pay something for that. But today we are going to use those similar applications or softwares within our free budget. So without wasting our time, let's move to our first step is our browser. So browser is as common. You can go in Google or whatever, you can search Reddit, YouTube is option. Extensions also you can do, personalization of your Firefox and all other things that you can do. I don't feel means I use it when I'm in Ubuntu, but my preferred is always see Chrome is running always. So this software is basically installed before only. Now open your terminal. So today I'm going to show you two things. That first we are making it as our home screen, and second we are learning to install our new softwares. How to install? So first command is sudo apt install LibreOffice. So let me give you a rough idea of the command that we have written. First is sudo. Sudo stands for super user. Like sudo, we mainly use that we have to do this task as a super user. Super user means root account. Those is apt means application, apt all packages we want to install. Then the install command is there, that what is the thing that we want to install, giving the instruction install. Then this is our LibreOffice. So what it is similar to MS Office. It's asking for the password. Type your password, but it will not show anything here. So just click on enter after doing this. So you can see that it's showing that reading package list done, building reading done already. I am already having this office inside my system. So it's showing me that I have already installed. So the same command next also I'm going to just show, means I'm having inside my office, but giving you a rough idea. So I will use the same command as sudo apt install Thunderbird. Thunderbird is also same. See, I have already installed, so these things are same. So let's see where is our Thunderbird, and so this is our Thunderbird. It's taking a time to open. See, okay, so it's asking for my full name and account setup that I want to do here. But moreover, I preferred more Thunderbolt according to me, because when I'm using, I love it. It's basically for Ubuntu. If you are using this kind of services, use them Ubuntu only. Like if you are having a MacBook, then you are using Apple softwares, you are not using Windows software. Yeah, same like that. If you are using Ubuntu, use free softwares. And moreover, this is also done. So we have installed two softwares which were already pre-installed in my, but you guys when you will do them. So what we are getting with LibreOffice, we are getting first Calc. This is Excel sheets, Excel sheets which we used to do, and another till the time it loads. Let me do. See, text editor is here, library writer. Okay, so this is our Word, which in Windows is called Word, and this is our Excel, which here is known as an Calc. Then other all draw is here. This is for presentations, this is for mathematical representation. So guys, when you will, once you will open it, you will see that they are are quite similar to the Windows one. So guys, that's all for today. This video ends here because nothing big is there. We have installed our first software which was already pre-installed in mine, but when you will do, it will take some time. It will also ask for some packages to accept or reject. So press Y and press enter. Those packages will be installed. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for the day.